you know who we are? We are a company in constant evolution that has been by your side for over 75 years. We learn from those who precede us. We transmit to those who replace us, without losing our essence, without forgetting where we came from, without ceasing to be what we are. Committed to technology. We are present in the most competitive markets in the world, supporting our customers with more than 60 sales and service centers all over the world. New products, new needs, new versions of everything. It's the beginning of evolution. When everything around you changes, do it yourself. We develop projects from our facilities, and with our technological equipment, we have the capacity of those who make an effort every day to offer the best of themselves. It all starts with an idea. We search, we learn, we think. Increase the range to get more performance. Increase flexibility to provide tailor-made products. Improve efficiency to stay sustainable and competitive. Our goal is to provide the best equipment to our customers, supporting them with a specialized technical service. Our mission is to empower every person, every organization to achieve more, to give the best of themselves. Convinced of social transformation through cooperation in the fields of culture and education, sport and environmental care, significant progress defines our lives. We are ABC Compressors.